Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from Coinbase Wallet to Cash App. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where you want to receive your Bitcoin. Navigate to the Investing section by tapping on the Investing tab at the bottom of your screen. From there, select Bitcoin from the list of available assets. Once you're in the Bitcoin section, look for the Transfer button, which shows two arrows pointing up and down. Tap on this button to access the Transfer menu. From the options that appear, select Receive to generate your personal Bitcoin address. This screen will show you your unique Bitcoin address, along with a QR code. If someone is sending you Bitcoin in person, they could scan this code directly. For this transfer, we need to copy the address by tapping the Copy button. Now switch over to your Coinbase app. Click in the Search button here, and then you can either type in Bitcoin or click on it if it's populated at the top. At this point, you would navigate over to the Transfer section and click on the Send button in order to send cryptocurrency. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Tap in the address field and paste the Bitcoin address you copied from Cash App. Double-check that the address matches exactly to avoid any errors. Select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to send from your available assets. Now enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer to your Cash App. Be aware that there are network fees involved, and Coinbase charges additional transaction fees that can be substantial for smaller transfers. There's also a minimum amount requirement for Bitcoin transfers, so ensure your transfer meets this threshold. Preview all the transaction details carefully before proceeding. Once you've verified everything is correct, confirm the transaction by tapping the Send Now button. The transfer may take some time to process depending on network congestion. You can monitor the transaction status in both your Coinbase and Cash App accounts. Remember that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible once confirmed on the blockchain. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.